So hello guys, welcome back to my channel Manogna. So I'm back with another video, and I'm sure that this video may not entertain you, but I'm sure that it is gonna give at least few people some positive vibes or some motivation. So here I am. I'm Manogna Radhi, as you all know me. um, and I don't know from where to start and what to start, but I want to share this story which is mine and which I had gone through, just because I want some of you to get motivated and just get inspired from my story and move on with your lives. So here I am. Can you even imagine a 16 to 17 years girl gone through a severe depression? No. Yes, I accept that many of you had went through that depression, but I'm sure that nobody has been through the depression phase in their age of 16 to 17. I think probably, most probably, they would be the reasons like love failure or any mostly the teenagers will go through this depression in this age only because of this love failure and all, but not that my story is somewhat different from others. I used to be a very happy girl and a very active and a very spontaneous girl. I used to participate in each and every program held in my college. I used to be a very happy girl. All of the sudden, all changed. I don't know what. I don't know how to tell. I can't even eat. I can't even drink. Can't you even? I can't even imagine how I had gone through that phase. I should tell that I don't know what to do and what not to do at that age. I'm like a very happy girl, and I don't know why this is happening only to me. I used to think that what's wrong with me? Why this is happening with me? I used to vomit whatever I eat. I used to get stomachache for whatever I eat. I don't know what's going with my health and all. Can you even imagine? As soon as I get the feeling to go to loo, I used to go into my panties without no time. Can you imagine a girl going through this part of in this situation? Can you even imagine that a girl going through the situation that she wanted to loo and she don't have time to rush into the washroom even? Yes, I went to that phase, and I felt very sorry for myself. I don't know what I don't I don't know what's wrong with my health at that time. I don't know to whom to share and whom not to share. I used to cry in bathrooms. I don't know what to do. There were times where I had to attend the exams. Then I don't know how to face the exams. Whatever the things, the hardest phase which I am telling you is the real thing which I had gone through. Yes, it is true. I don't even have the time to go to washroom for pee and loo. Whatever the things I have to do in lavatory, I used to do within a seconds, which after getting the feeling. I'm sure that many of my friends may wonder, is this Manogna really telling the truth? Yes, I'm really telling the truth. Many of you don't know. I used to pretend as if I'm a very happy girl. I had gone through a lot in my college. I don't know to whom to share. As my college was co-ed, I don't know even to how to express my feelings with my friends. Just imagine, as soon as you get the feeling to pee or loo, how awkward or how dirty it would be for me to manage the situation. Seriously, I don't know. I had gone through a severe depression. I don't know what to do. I don't know what will happen. As I told you, there were times where I had to attend the exams, which were held in third floor in my college. And if I get the feeling to loo, I don't know what to do. But it's a compulsion that I have to write the exams and all. I don't know what to do. There were days where I used adult diapers because of the fear of going to loo in my panties. I don't know. I don't know. I just wonder how I survived all those days. I don't feel any shy to share this because many may feel like awkward or any weird to share such kind of these things, but here I am sharing these things just to say that all of us go through some depression, some phase of depression in our lives, and I gone through that phase where I could not even do anything by myself, but I have no idea or no I have no thought of what doing next. I don't even know either I am going to survive or not, just because I was diagnosed with some stomach ulcer. I don't know. I've gone through that severe depression phase. Yes, here I am. You may think that why am I telling all this now? I want to tell you this just because everybody goes through the stage of depression in our lives at some certain point. Do you agree or not? I think many of you had gone through that stage, and I salute to the people who ever gone through that stage and are still alive. This depression is a stage where we think that we are alone. We don't know what to do. In my case, I don't used to sleep even at nights. I used to cry like a mad girl. I used to get scared even if I close my eyes. I used to feel like I am not getting the breath. That is the stage where I went through in my depression. So what I'm trying to tell you is, in our lives everybody goes through this phase. This depression, as I told you before, it makes us feel that we are alone. We don't have anybody. Nobody cares about us and all. But God may not be everywhere, but God knows everything which we are facing and which we are going through. God listens to our prayers and He watches over our tears. Just trust me. You just trust that you are not alone. You trust on God. You just depend on God. Just don't feel that you are alone. Just don't feel that you are betrayed. Just don't feel helpless. Just depend upon God and He'll definitely help you. God will give you some ways to come out of those depressions. Those might be your hobbies, your favorite things to do, and your favorite places. You can go to different places and explore new things. In my case, God has sent an angel, that is my mama. I love you, mama. And all this time nobody was there with me. I know how many days I used to cry without any reason. I don't have any shoulder to lean upon. In all those times, the only person who God sent for me is just my mama. Yes, I can happily and proudly say that. I think I have not properly thanked her for what she has done to me. But I wanted to thank her now, just to say that no woman in this world or nobody in this world can match you. You played a very prominent role in my life. Yes, without you I'm nothing. Say I just because of you I'm here. So mama, I love you so much. I love you so much. I love you so much. There are no words to express my thankfulness for you. So here guys, what I'm trying to tell is, as in my life story, how my mama worked as a prominent role in my stage of depression. For you also guys, you may have a certain hobbies. You may have it might be different things, a person, a hobbies, a place, a thing which makes you happy. Just go and do that. Don't stuck in a bathroom, and don't lay on bed and let your pillow wet. Just go out. just go out. You're not the only person who are going through that phase. There are many people in this world who are going through this phase of depression. Not only you and I, everybody goes through that phase. You have to make up your mind. You are the boss for your thoughts. You just come out of the room, you just come out of your bathroom, you just come out of your room, bedroom, and just take a long breath and just move on with the flow. Do the things which make you happy. Don't always think that, yes, I agree that this stage of phase may feel that you're alone, but you're not, because God will know what to do. God knows how to pull you out of this situation, but God needs only one thing, your cooperation. God needs one thing, just you have to trust on Him. Just don't lose your hopes at any time. Just don't take a serious decisions. Like many people think like ending up their lives, as if I think is as if I used to think actually. But thank God, in my case, it doesn't. My mama did not let it happen. I'm so thankful for you, mama. Even after I gone through this severe stage of depression, as you can all see my previous videos, you can see it in my videos, like I'm very happy now, just because I fought depression with the help of my mama. Like that only God will let you know what to do at that times. So just go with the flow. Don't ever think that you're alone. Don't ever think that you're helpless or you're useless or anything. Just be positive, just be happy. Just that's all I can tell in this video. And finally, once again, I want to thank my mama on this platform, that without you, mama, I'm nothing without you. Just because of you I'm happy. Just because of you I'm alive right now. Thank you all. If you just like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and I want you to share this video to all of your friends. Just because it's not like it's not just like, share, comment, a fluke word. I just wanted to share you from within my heart, just because if we don't know who are going through what phase. So I think I'm thinking that this video may be useful for not plenty of people, but at least one. So please share this video. Please do that, and also like it, and please comment down in my comment box, and also subscribe, and also hit the bell button. See you in my next video. Bye bye.